Finally, J-Rocc has come back to YouTube. What is happening in there with the millions and millions of J-Rocc fans from all over the world? You're right here with J-Rocc, and J-Rocc is here to check out Harley Quinn and Birds of Prey rap battle. One of J-Rocc's millions of fans, Storm Shadow, requested that J-Rocc check this out. So J-Rocc will oblige the request and says this: Storm Shadow, you go and you electrify like only you can do. Come on, let's check this out.
Princess Rap Battle,
starring me, Harley freaking Quinn.
Ain't you the Joker's girl?
Actually, we broke up. It was very mutual, and I'm not at all upset. I'm crazy. Complex. You have an anarchist protagonist and a villainous ex. It all started out when I was Dr. Harley Quinn, Arkham's clinical psychologist. The gist is, I fell for a felon. Clearly criminally insane, and then I fell into a vat. Changed my skin tone and my name. I may have lost my mind, but now I'm back on the grind. This little monster's free, she's no longer defined. And it's decided to be the subject of the role that I play. Harley Quinn's home court, and I don't need a jester. Been through denial, oppression, bargaining, and now I'm just pissed. I'm putting do what I want at the top of the list. I've never been a quitter because my heart's full of glitter. No one can stop me.
There she is. Get her.
Ah! Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
I literally just asked, so no.
Oh, call me Huntress. The daughter who uncannily survived the brutal massacre when monsters killed my family, so now I pay respects with every shot that connects. Badass assassin putting bolts through their necks. A smoke show with a crossbow, and I constantly embarrass these bozos. The secret burden of the heiress. Payback's my motive, and my methods are vicious, cause these spaghetti serving slime balls out to sleep with the fishes. I murder mafioso mofos and an out for revenge.
See, that kind of moxie means we gotta be friends.
I don't really have
What are you doing now, honey? Oh, it's goats and drinks bought with someone else's money.
Okay.
Bartender! A couple shots! Put it on Roman's tab.
Make it 3.
Dinah, how you been?
The cat dragged it. I haven't seen you since the split. How you holding up, Quinn?
Fantabulous and fabulous. Full steam ahead.
Then it's a crying shame that my boss wants you dead.
What else is new?
Without your ex's protection, he'll peel that pretty face off for his private collection.
So now you belong to Mr. Roman Sionis?
That spoiled rich dick who only wishes he owned it. Set you some retirement sucker sitting waiting my turn. Thinking someday soon I'll have to wise the price up and burn this whole crooked, wicked criminal club to the ground. I swear I'm on this grave, I wanna clean up this town. With this vocalist crescendos, you know that I am foes. I'm not too bad, so that I can shatter glass windows. I'm tough, but can't make enough change on my own.
I don't see why you should have to do it alone.
Sure, like you take my side if I decided to quit.
Yep, and my mobster-killing friend here is fucking legit.
You know, you're the first soprano I haven't wanted to whack.
I could stand to have a gal like you watching my back.
I swear to Zod, we're 3 peas in a pod.
A girl gang in Gotham? Can we please form a squad?
Alright, Quinn, I'm in.
Sweet, what's the plan?
We send them a message and stick it to the man.
Oh, you mean Roman?
Uh-huh.
You got dirt on that jerk?
Years of it.
Perfect. This might actually work.
He'll be here soon. There's no time to waste.
Having friends is fun. Let's cut to the chase.
Hey, don't you raise the people's eyebrow. That's J-Rocc's job. It's the remix.
Wake up, Roman. Good morning.
Pay attention, dipshit. This is your only warning.
Oh, why does he look so grumpy?
He'd look prettier if he smiled.
Possible personality disorder from being dropped as a child.
If you want him dead, I'll make it look like a hit.
Hell, I'd smoke this schmuck myself, but I've been trying to quit.
No, this'll be a blast. We don't have to hold back. Just a one-sided battle rap emancipation diss track. What an original gangster, big fan. Gotta ask, are you the first dude in Gotham to hide behind a black mask?
Consider this my resignation. I'm done working for freaks. You don't get 2 weeks, y'all can kiss both cheeks.
Put a leash on Zaz, that little scarred up spaz.
That sycophant sadist is really all that he has.
You're a self-obsessed narcissist, a thin-skinned goon who went bankrupt while choking on Daddy's silver spoon.
Here's the message, Sionis. Let us be perfectly clear. Stay out of our way or you might disappear.
I'm Harley freaking Quinn with a brand new crew, leaving clowns in the dust and the joke's on you. I'm crazier and fearless, and I goddamn guarantee all of Gotham's scared of you when they should be scared of me.
So now what?
You wanna go see a movie?
Well, J-Rocc says this. Oh, they were spitting straight bars. Straight fire. And J-Rocc can appreciate that. This was a damn good video. J-Rocc appreciates the recommendation. Post your comments down below and let J-Rocc know what you thought of this video. If you appreciated and enjoyed J-Rocc's reaction to this, hit that like button and subscribe to the People's Channel. Make sure you share and let the world know that the YouTube People's Channel, baby, is here. Check out the other videos on the People's Channel as well. And also, hit that bell so you can be notified that it is time to be electrified. Thank you for joining J-Rocc. Until next time. Mamba and Gigi forever. If you smell what J-Rocc is.